Breaking. Welcome to today's headlines. IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu asks United Nations, United States, United Kingdom to send representatives to witness treason terrorism case. IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu asks United Nations, United States, United Kingdom to send representatives to witness treason terrorism case. To my dear listeners from wherever you're listening from, stay tuned as I read today's news. Detained leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has asked the United Nations, government of the United States of America and United Kingdom to send representatives to witness the 7-count amended charge preferred against him and pending at the Federal High Court, Abuja. Division due to continue on the 18th, 19th, and 20th of January 2022. In June 2021, the IPOB leader was arrested in Kenya and extradited to Nigeria to face treason charges. He was subsequently arraigned and brought before Binta Nyako, a judge of the Federal High Court in Abuja, who asked him to be remanded at the DSS custody. Kanu is facing charges bordering on treasonable felony instituted against him at the court in response to his agitation for the Republic of Biafra. He was granted bail in April 2017 on health grounds, but skipped bail after disregarding some of the conditions given to him by the court. On July 26, Justice Nyako adjourned his trial till October 21, owing to the failure of the Nigerian government to produce him in court. On August 9, IPOB announced the enforcement of a lockdown every Monday until Kanu was released, but later suspended the directive a few days later. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, lead counsel to Kanu, in different letters dated January 11 to the UN, US, and UK, asked them to send representatives to observe the proceedings of the court on the adjourned date. According to Ejiofor, the request is compelling in the circumstance to ensure that the whole process of our client's trial is fair and just in all circumstances. The counsel to the IPOB leader also asked the UN, UK, and US to prevail on the Nigerian government to caution its security agents to exhibit a modicum of civility in their operations and refrain from harassing, intimidating, and arresting innocent civilians who may throng the court premises on the said date. One of the letters read, "We act as barristers and solicitors to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, hereinafter referred to as our client. We write this letter to the Secretary General on behalf of our client and with his consent and authority. May we respectfully notify the Secretary General that criminal proceedings in respect of the 7-count amended charge preferred against our client and pending at the Federal High Court, Abuja Division, are due to continue on the 18th, 19th, and 20th of January 2022. In view of the foregoing, may we gratefully please request the Secretary General to send representatives of the United Nations to observe the proceedings of the court on those adjourned dates and any other dates to which further proceedings in the cause may be adjourned until the matter is disposed of. The need to ensure that our client is given a fair trial has compelled us to make this request. The instant request is compelling in the circumstance to ensure that the whole process of our client's trial is fair and just in all circumstances. It must be remembered that his purported indictment on criminal charges has a political undercurrent. This fact impels all truly democratic institutions of the world to keep a close, watchful, and attentive eye on the whole judicial process that has intervened to determine his culpability. While thanking the Secretary General for the expedition's attention accorded to this request, may the Secretary General accept the assurance of the highest regard. So, my dear listeners, from wherever you're listening from, please stay tuned and please drop by at the comment section and let us know what your view is all about. Thank you.